If you're thinking about booking the Eftalia Splash Resort, then there's actually a lot of hidden value that's not immediately apparent. For example, your stay includes full access to Eftalia Island, a massive beachfront water park and entertainment complex shared by multiple Eftalia properties. This setup gives you two destinations in one: the hotel itself and a beachside playground packed with slides, shows, and snack bars, all included. Your all-inclusive package covers far more than meals and drinks at the main resort. Along with buffet breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, guests enjoy access to the island's beach snack bar between noon and 4 p.m., plus soft drinks, beer, and wine throughout the day. And that's in addition to the water slides, foam parties, splash zones, and live evening entertainment happening just a few minutes away. In my opinion, it's Eftalia Island that's the heart of the experience, and the resort runs a free shuttle every 20 to 30 minutes to take you there and back. It's ideal for families, especially those traveling with kids who want constant activity without needing to leave the resort bubble. The ability to spend your day moving between water slides and poolside loungers without ever reaching for your wallet gives this property a serious edge at its price point. And while Eftalia Splash is the most affordable way to unlock the island, it's worth noting that Eftalia Ocean Resort and Spa also shares this access. Ocean is a newer and more stylish property, better suited to travelers who want upgraded rooms and a more polished atmosphere, especially for older kids or larger families. If that sounds like your style, my full review of Eftalia Ocean is linked below. But if you're chasing water park access, beachfront energy, and the biggest all-inclusive value for your budget, Splash delivers exactly that. The booking link below will get you the best price currently available. Set in the quieter Turkler area, Eftalia Splash Resort offers a more laid-back environment away from the city's main tourist zones. It's around 110 kilometers from Antalya Airport. While the resort isn't directly on the beach, it's only 600 meters inland, with a free shuttle running every 20 minutes to Eftalia Island for beach access, slides, and entertainment. You'll also find a handful of local shops, cafes, and markets within walking distance, while Alanya's top attractions, like Cleopatra Beach and Alanya Castle, are a 20 to 25-minute drive away. When choosing your room at Eftalia Splash Resort, the main factor comes down to how many people you're traveling with and how much space you really need. The most affordable option is the standard room, which includes a double bed and a single bed. It's compact but works well for couples or families with one small child. This room typically ranges from $106 to $140 per night depending on the season. If you're traveling as a group of 3 adults or a family with older kids, the large standard room gives you the same bedding setup, but with more floor space and a reclining sofa. It doesn't always cost more than the standard option, but availability is limited, so booking early matters. For larger families or anyone who wants more separation, the family room is the clear winner. It comes with 2 double beds, 2 singles, and a sofa, making it suitable for up to 6 guests. These rooms aren't always listed online and tend to cost 30 to 50% more than the standard, but the added comfort and privacy make a big difference if you're traveling in a group. If you're after a more polished room setup, then I'd advise booking the Ocean Resort and Spa. Otherwise, you can book any of these rooms at the best price using the link below. Everything at Eftalia Splash Resort is designed to support a low-stress, family-centered stay. The main pool area includes water slides for older kids, a splash zone for toddlers, and a sheltered indoor pool that's useful during bad weather or off-season months. Sunbeds are widely available, and shaded spots near the kids' pools make it easier for parents to supervise comfortably. For downtime, there's a small gym, a sauna, and paid access to massage and skincare services through the on-site spa. Sports facilities include a basic tennis court, beach volleyball net, and a casual multi-use area for basketball or football. If you want more variety, then I recommend heading over to Eftalia Island. Entertainment at Eftalia Splash Resort is geared toward families who want structured activities from morning to night without ever leaving the resort complex. The on-site kids club caters to children aged 4 to 12 with organized games, crafts, and dance sessions, giving parents a break while their kids stay active under supervision. There's also a playground near the pool area for unstructured downtime between meals or swim sessions. In the evenings, the resort hosts live performances ranging from dance and music shows to family-friendly competitions and themed costume nights. While the main resort stage offers a decent experience, the real action takes place over on Eftalia Island. That's where larger-scale entertainment is held, including beachside foam parties, open-air shows, and fire performances designed to keep both kids and adults entertained. Thanks to shared access with other Eftalia properties, the island's events feel bigger than what you'd expect from a budget-friendly resort. And because the shuttle runs until late, it's easy to enjoy the show and be back in your room without hassle. Food at Eftalia Splash Resort follows a straightforward, all-inclusive setup, with the main restaurant serving buffet-style breakfast, lunch, and dinner each day. The selection focuses on Turkish staples, grilled meats, pastas, and salads, with some variation from night to night. While it's not gourmet, the variety is broad enough to keep most guests satisfied over a week-long stay. Late risers can take advantage of a late breakfast service, and there's a separate patisserie open midday, offering pastries, cakes, and light snacks. One of the more popular extras is Burgerland, a casual grill station that opens after lunch and stays available until late in the evening, though it does close during regular restaurant hours. Down at Eftalia Island, lunch and drinks are also included. While Eftalia Splash Resort offers strong value for families, it's best suited to travelers who prioritize activity and access over luxury finishes. The atmosphere is lively and energetic, especially during school holidays, so if you're looking for a calm or adult-oriented escape, this may not be the right match. That said, it's exactly this vibrant setting that makes the resort such a hit with kids and teens. Rooms are simple and functional, and while standard layouts may feel a bit tight for larger families, upgrading to a family room offers a big improvement in comfort and space. If you're looking for more polished design or upgraded interiors without giving up island access, Eftalia Ocean Resort and Spa is a good step up, offering modern rooms and a more refined layout while keeping the same entertainment perks. For most families, especially those focused on maximizing pool time and water park access, Eftalia Splash hits the right balance of price and experience. Just know that you're booking for fun, not frills, and the resort delivers exactly that. Eftalia Splash Resort delivers strong value for travelers who want maximum activity without high daily costs. Compared to other resorts in this price range, it stands out by including full access to Eftalia Island, something many properties would charge extra for. The pricing is especially favorable for families, with meals, drinks, slides, and entertainment all built into the rate. You're not paying extra for beach access, evening shows, or kids' activities, which makes budgeting simple. Eftalia Splash Resort is the right choice for families who want to keep kids active from morning to night without relying on expensive excursions or complicated plans. It's also a strong fit for budget-conscious groups looking for a resort with enough variety to avoid feeling repetitive. If your idea of a great holiday includes daily activities, water-based fun, and a full schedule without extra planning, Eftalia Splash meets the mark. Book it at the best price using the link below, or watch the video appearing on the screen now for alternative places to stay in Antalya, Turkey.